Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. Point out the fallacy of the following statement. The mean of the binomial distribution is 4 and its standard deviation is 3. This question is from the binomial distribution, statistics, binomial distribution. Solution. Suppose x is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Suppose x is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameters n and p. Now what is n? N is the number of trials. N is the number of trials. N is number of trials. P is the probability of occurrence of success. Probability of occurrence of success. Since P is a probability, P lies always between 0 and 1. Now the mean of the binomial distribution is NP and variance of the binomial distribution is variance of the binomial distribution is NP 1 minus P. NP into 1 minus P. Now standard deviation is what? Standard deviation is square root of the positive square root of the variance. This will be the variance. Variance of the binomial distribution is NP into 1 minus P. Standard deviation is the positive square root of the variance. This is NP 1 minus P square root. According to our information, this is root 3. Now, variance by mean is what? NP 1 minus P by NP. This is basically 1 minus P. NP get cancelled. Now, according to our information, standard deviation is 3. Therefore, the variance is 9. Variance of x is 9 and mean is given as 4. Therefore, variance by mean equals to 9 by 4. 9 by 4. That means 1 minus P is 9 by 4 or P equals to 1 minus 9 by 4. This is 5 by 4. And the probability is 5 by 4 which is greater than 1, but we know that the probability cannot be greater than 1 since P is less than 1. Since P, the probability of occurrence of success, lies between 0 and 1, therefore P cannot be equals to 5 by 4. Since P lies between, I am writing like this, 0 less than equals to P less than equals to 1. Therefore, P cannot be 5 by 4. And the variance by mean should be greater than 1. Variance by mean should be greater than 1, but in this case variance is 9, which is greater than the mean. This is the fallacy. This is the fallacy, that variance should be less than the mean for binomial distribution, but the standard deviation is what? Standard deviation is 3. Therefore, the variance is 9. Variance for this distribution is 9, which is greater than mean, equals to 4. For binomial distribution, variance must be less than mean. This is the fallacy of the statement. The given statement is false because the probability is getting more than 1, and we know that the variance should be less than mean, but here variance is greater than mean. This is the fallacy of the statement. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.